Big deal. My IQ is 280.
Stephen Hawking, the world's smartest man.
P3. Topic 5. Lesson 3. Gas laws. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to use the equation P1V1 over T1 equals P2V2 over T2 to explain how gases are affected by temperature and pressure. The volume of air in a balloon depends on the number of particles it contains, the temperature, and the pressure exerted by collisions from molecules in the surrounding air. A weather balloon can be used to take measurements as it rises through the atmosphere. As the weather balloon gains altitude, the air pressure drops more than the temperature decreases, so the balloon expands. At about 35 kilometers, the balloon expands so much it bursts, returning the instruments to Earth by parachute, with a record of the weather conditions at different altitudes. The graph shows that varying the pressure or the temperature of a gas changes its volume. The first graph shows that volume and pressure are inversely proportional. If the pressure doubles, the volume halves, assuming the temperature remains the same. The second graph shows that volume is proportional to Kelvin temperature. If the Kelvin temperature doubles, the volume doubles, as long as the pressure does not change. The volume of a gas in a sealed container is proportional to the Kelvin temperature. If temperature doubles, then volume doubles. The volume of a gas in a sealed container is inversely proportional to the pressure. If pressure doubles, then volume halves. The pattern is summarized by the gas equation, PV over T equals a constant. Imagine the gas trapped in a weather balloon. The volume is 2 meters cubed at ground level where the temperature is 300 Kelvin, 27 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is 1.5 times 10 to the 5 pascals. P times V divided by T equals 1.5 times 10 to the 5 times 2 divided by 300 equals 1000. At a high altitude, the temperature falls to 240 Kelvin, minus 33 degrees Celsius, and the pressure drops to 0.3 times 10 to the 5 pascals. The gas equation helps you to calculate the new volume. P times V divided by T equals 0.3 times 10 to the 5 times V divided by 240 equals 1000. 125 V equals 1000, therefore, V equals 1000 divided by 125, which equals 8 meters cubed. The gas equation can be written as P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. T is always measured in Kelvin and not degrees Celsius. Subscript 1 refers to the starting conditions and subscript 2 refers to the final conditions. For the weather balloon, 1.5 times 10 to the 5 times 2 divided by 300 equals 0.3 times 10 to the 5 times 8 divided by 240. 1000 equals 1000. If you're looking for trouble, you've found it.
Yeah, just try me, you... Oh!